How to fix save failed in Pinterest app. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. To begin with it, go ahead and check for your Wi-Fi connection first and foremost. If it is acting super slow, switch it to your mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Press and hold the application and head to App Info. Tap on Force Stop. Then tap on Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once this is done, you can head back from here. And if this feature is not for you, go ahead and open up your phone settings. From this list, scroll down and tap on App. Tap on All Apps, then tap on the search icon. Search for Pinterest in this. Again, force stop, tap on Storage and Cache, then clear up the cache. Then you can exit from this. On to the next step, open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for Pinterest. Tap on Pinterest. If there is an update, you have to go ahead and leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and later reinstall it once again. And the last resort is to actually restart your mobile device. For that, press and hold the power button, then simply tap on Restart. And that is how you can easily solve your issue. That's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.